Gleam Teeth UK offers an exceptionally impressive and highly satisfying experience that goes far beyond what most people expect when shopping for dental and smile care solutions online. From the very first interaction with the website, there is a strong sense of credibility, professionalism, and attention to detail that immediately builds trust. The layout is clean, informative, and easy to navigate, allowing customers to clearly understand the products, their benefits, and how to use them effectively without any confusion. The quality of the products themselves is outstanding, reflecting thoughtful research, modern dental innovation, and a genuine commitment to delivering visible, long-lasting results. Each product feels carefully developed to balance effectiveness with comfort, making it suitable for everyday use while still delivering noticeable improvements in overall smile appearance and oral confidence. What truly sets Gleam Teeth UK apart is its focus on customer experience. Everything from clear instructions to reliable performance demonstrates that customer satisfaction is a top priority. The brand successfully combines premium quality with accessibility, ensuring that users feel confident, informed, and supported throughout their journey. There is a strong sense that Gleam Teeth understands real customer needs, offering solutions that are practical, well-designed, and consistently reliable. The results feel natural, gradual, and encouraging, which makes sticking to a routine easy and rewarding. Value for money is another major advantage, as the products deliver high performance without feeling overpriced, reinforcing trust and long-term loyalty. Overall, Gleam Teeth UK represents excellence in smile care by combining innovation, quality craftsmanship, user-friendly design, and a genuine customer-first mindset, making it a highly recommended destination for anyone seeking effective, trustworthy, and confidence-boosting dental care solutions.